Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing another Dollar Tree nail art supply video review. This is again from B Color. It is the metallic nail pens. I saw these on Instagram and immediately had to go out and get them to try them because my daughter has been all about drawing on herself, drawing on her nails, drawing on everything. And she wants to have her manicure done several times a week. And she has trouble with traditional nail polish bottles. So she has some nail art pens on her wish list for Christmas, and I saw these in the Dollar Tree and I wanted to test them out before I might put them in her stocking as a stocking stuffer. So yeah, they come in gold and silver. I didn't see any other colors or anything like that. So we're just going to open up and try the gold and silver. And I have pre-painted some nail tips with white and black. The white and black that I'm using today is also from the Dollar Tree. It's the Color Vibe with Hardener's nail polish. I don't think the black has a name. Wait, yeah. In Back to Black and then White Out. They have really good coverage. I did 2 or 3 coats of the white and then I only did 1 coat of the black. Really nice nail polishes. You can also get them from the Dollar Tree. So the back of the instructions say, directions, apply your favorite nail polish or base coat, allow to fully dry. We have done that. Shake the metallic nail pen, and gently press the tip down on a paper towel to ensure the ink is flowing. Draw your desired design over nail polish, finish with your favorite top coat, and allow to dry. All right, so I don't know if you can hear that, but there are some mixing balls or mixing something agents in the actual pen itself. We'll do one at a time. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. Little that's a plastic tip, not felt. Okay. I thought it was going to be a felt tip, but it's not. It's plastic. Paper towel. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. I need a black background. Can you see how this is a plastic tip? So that's really interesting to me because most other nail art pens that I've used in the past have been felt tips, which have been really hard because it's gotten gunky after a while. And so the nail polish in this is really only coming out the center, if you can see that, which I think is really cool. All right. Let's try and just draw a heart. Ooh. Okay. Let's try on the white. Let's try a star. Can you see? Yeah. So I think what I'm not liking about this is that it's kind of pulling away from itself. The actual gold itself is very pretty, but when this doesn't have a top coat on it, so it's just the nail tip with the nail polish on here. I wonder if it would be any different if it had a top coat on it or not. Let's try the silver. And, I'm expecting kind of the same thing to happen with the silver where it's pulling away from itself. But sometimes you never know with like different pigments. Sometimes different pigments will have like different adhering qualities than others. That silver is really nice. And it's not pulling away from itself. Wow. So look at that silver is really nice. I wonder if maybe the gold is just not mixed properly or mixed well enough. The silver also has that like plastic tip as well. Let's do K, R for Kirby Rose, C. At first it has like a little bit of pull, but then it dries really, really quickly, so it stays in place really, really well. Let's see. And then I'll just do a line like that on that one because I want to try two different base coats or top coats. Yeah, I'm not as impressed by the gold as I am with the silver. I don't know if it's just my gold, but the silver, definitely a buy. The gold, not so much. It's just like watery. And I don't know if this is going to be like all the gold pens, but it's definitely mine. All right. Okay, we're going to draw one last like silver shape on this one, just so it's a little bit bigger. And we're going to test these two for the top coats. I have an LA Colors Rapid Dry top coat. I think I also got this from the Dollar Tree a long, long time ago, but it's not water-based, it's just quick dry. And then I also have a No Smudge top coat from Born Pretty. I do believe that this is water-based, but it is like no smudge, so it will allow us to be able to paint over nail art without it smudging. So I want to see kind of how these nail art pens deal with like a top coat over top of them, if you do need like a water-based top coat, or if you could get away with just like a regular Joe Schmo top coat. Ooh, yeah. You're gonna need a no smudge top coat for these. All right. Got some smudging on the side from the LA Colors Rapid Dry top coat. Got a little smudging down here with the gold. If you are going to use these, I would suggest to let these dry for a good like 5 minutes and then try to like float over it. But do not be surprised if when you're using a non-water-based or no smudge top coat that you're going to get some smudging. And then let's try the Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. Ooh, we even got some smudging with that one. Less smudging, but we still got some. And I think that might have been because that was wet when I went over it. No smudging on the lines, which is understandable, but that circle definitely smudged a little bit with a no smudge top coat. And again, I think that's because it was still a little bit wet because I had just done it, but the lines are still pretty crisp, which is good. Let's try the no smudge on these letters that have been sitting here for a while. Yeah, no smudging there. No smudging with the letters, with the no smudge top coat. So just if you are putting a top coat over top of these nail art pens, realize that they have to be dry. So I would let them sit for a good like 3 or 5 minutes. Use a no smudge top coat. If you are going to try to use a regular no smudge top coat, float over it and just go over it once. But again, be aware you're going to get some smudging. And also if you don't let the bigger areas dry, you are going to get some smudging. But with these lines, I didn't get any smudging at all with the no smudge top coat. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like the silver, definitely worth it. The gold, I don't know if it's just my gold, but it wasn't really pigmented and it wasn't as like, it pulled away from itself. So that's what I would say. Go for the silver, not the gold. These would be great for holiday stocking stuffers, nail art enthusiasts, nail enthusiast. Silver worth it, gold not so much. Let me know if you have any different experience with the gold nail pen in the comment section below. I will do my best to link these down in the description box below because I bought these in store and sometimes you can't always buy Dollar Tree things online, and if you do, sometimes they come in bulk. It's a whole thing. Anyways, I'll do my best. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks for watching.